Check. What's up, YouTube? What's up, TikTok? Just bear with me for 1 second here. You guys on YouTube and TikTok, I'm just gonna set this thing up quickly. Wow, man, your boy was facing a mountain of technical issues just then. Crazy. Crazy, bro. Yeah, hope you guys are doing well. Sorry about that. Sorry about it. All right. Okay. Just touching up TikTok here. Yeah, you guys are gonna have a pretty whack screen, but oh well. On TikTok. Alright, man. Let me move this over here. What is good? What's up? What's up? No, my shit keeps freaking freezing. You guys on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. I'll meet you over there. Bye. Wow, bro. I've never had so many technical issues trying to set a stream up. Fuck it. Here we go. Scrap TikTok. Hopefully it runs smooth now. Hopefully it runs smooth. All right, man. What up, you guys? What up? Happy Wednesday. I hope you guys are doing well. We'll see if we catch a trade here for London, pre-London. Why does my shit do this? All right, man. Stress City. So let's have a look here, man. Let's lock in. Looks like a lot of, it looks like CPI move just got completely filled. I'm going to do a quick top down here just to get a pulse. I haven't really had a look too much today. Just let me do a quick top down here, you guys. So weekly is coming back down to this major level down here. Major support level on the higher time frames. Daily. Yesterday, obviously, we've seen what happened with CPI, but it looks like we're coming back down now for today. Pushed up, filled a lot of this range. Now it looks like we're moving back down. It kind of makes sense. If price really is going to break below this level, which I don't know if it is, but it looks like we're, it's coming down. Maybe it needed that pullback. Previous 4 hour closing super bearish. We are at some sort of interest level. If you notice here on price, look, price exactly where we are. 2 times have massively rejected. I don't know. Does that mean anything? Who knows? So 4 hours seems to be moving down. We've got a lot of clean traffic to the immediate left. The 1 hours have failed to push up here, moving down. Oh, look at this 30. Weird 30 structure, but at least we've got some clean, right? Like we've got some range to play with. And yeah, and 15's right at this CPI level. Sweet. So this is a good level to play at, man. We're in a good position here. We are in a good position here. We've got enough clean traffic down here and let's see, man. Dope. Dope as. What's good, you guys? What up, what up, what up? Hope you guys are well. Let's see if we get something happening here for pre-London. Can we get back to the vertical screen? Fuck. I can't win. I ran vertical for a while just to suss it out. Just to play around with it a little bit. Fuck, what was I about to do? Dope. So, man, no setup for me today just yet. Price has moved down pretty aggressively here. I don't know how you guys have gone. Got a key level marked here. This is my key level for gold. Let's see what price wants to do here. Let's take a quick look at... Oh, the NAS is moving up. NQ is moving up here to a key level. 4 hour. 1 hour. Wow, bullish as hell. And 15 at a key level. Not super... Oh, we'll see. We'll keep an eye on NQ. More interested in gold. Gold break above level, I think, is here as well. Is this a wick over here, these two 15-minute candles? Yep. Yeah, I think we're in a good range here on gold. What do you guys think? First time here? Welcome. I'm gonna make you laugh? If I can make you laugh, that's a good thing, right? Yeah, make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the vertical screen here. Your boy's getting vertical with it. I'll throw this up on the story. And then we'll get chipping away. Sick. Did you miss the move? Depends what you mean. That's going to be what you mean. Yeah. Much love from NZ. Let's get it, my NZ brother. We'll have a hungy. Thank you, brother. Good to have you here. These are my levels, you guys, that I'm marking for this session right now. Pre-London, break above, break below is going to be my thing of most interest. I don't really think it's going to be a decent idea to trade within this range here. Yeah, I don't have much reason to believe why that could be a good idea, but we'll see. No vertical? Bro, I go vertical, they want horizontal. I go horizontal, they want vertical. Your brother can't win. A brother can't win out in these streets. Nah, I tried just try vertical. Like, that's the thing about life. Just switch it up, try different shit. Some people even try the same gender here and there just to test it out. I'm not interested in going that far, but I do think it's important to try stuff. So, yeah. How have you guys gone today? I'm not sure if any of my guys... Why am I getting gay flags in my own community? Fuck it, I'll add to it. I'm not sure if any of my guys have been able to catch too much today either. Yeah. Looks like a bit of a sketchy one here. Oh, actually, Adrian. Is Adrian here? I think the guys in the mentorship caught this on Asia. Break out of this level. Doghouse today? What do you mean, Paige? Oh, you guys got an NQ trade in Asia? I thought so. And I did, and why did it fail previously when though it broke previous 15 low you have marked right now? Why did it fail previous even though it broke? It didn't break. Like a break for me means it has to close below, not just like push below. It has to close below. Oh, 2 loss for me. I missed. Oh, yeah. Chuck them in the journal page, and we'll go over it when we catch up. Because honestly, I don't think there's been any setups for us today. I don't believe there's been any setups for like what would be kind of one of our valid trades. Big fun from Kenya. Let's get it, my Kenyesian. Good to have you here, bro. What are your chart colors on TradingView? I think just the standard. It's in the chat. Oh, one of our guys, Ty, in the chat. He's one of our coaches in the mentorship. It's his birthday today. He's 20 years old. He's had over probably $150,000 in payouts. And he also got 2K USD on his B-day and locked out. Here he is here. Here he is here. Oh, bro's gonna be angry if he sees. So yeah, that's Ty. Nah, please go back. Oh, to Dubai? Yeah, I'll be back soon. Yeah, I didn't do it. Yeah, TikTok, it's just, all my social medias are the same name. Yeah, my shit's all the same. So price is pushing down here. What do we got? Oh, that was a 30 closure. Nothing happening yet. Can't do anything just yet. Bro, I have a question. I'm in my funded stage, but I cannot control my emotions while trading. Because of that, I am facing loss streak and funded. FOMO mainly. Yeah, I mean, the cool news is your problem isn't unique to you. It's universal. And the solution is universal as well. The solution is universal as well, which is awareness, which seems like you're pretty aware of your issues. And then control. What are you going to do to control it? The bad news is there's nothing that I can say or anyone in the world could say. You know, Tony Robbins, that dude, he's like, fucking, you know, really motivational dude. He could even give you the best advice and it's not going to help you, bro. Only you can help you. Only you can help you. Tough, right? Toughest business to be in, trading. But you can do it, bro. That's the other good news is you can actually do it. You know your issues. So when you feel that urge coming up, here's the thing. Have you ever struggled? Maybe if we do get a bit of an engulfing candle here, we could buy back up. Have you ever struggled with any type of addiction in the past? The same solution to how you overcame that is going to be the same solution to how you're going to overcome your trading issues. All right. Love from Malaysia. What up, what up, what up? Tanzania. Yo, yo. Maybe if we get a bit of a engulfing candle, we could try to get a bit of a pop through this range. Can you show us properties on MT5? Just, I mean, I'm not going to click F8, but what do you want to see in the properties? I bet you F8 like does something bad. What would F8 do if I click that, you guys? Can anyone tell me? This dirty little freaking bastard. You know, a couple months ago that would have got me. But I've worked on my gullibility. Don't come now, Arandis. Yeah, I've seen it's a bit of. It's not looking too good. It looks like I might have kind of stepped out at a good time. Did you enter on CPI? Yeah, I did. I threw like 150 bucks into a personal account and clicked sell. No. Just because. And just full margined it, so I don't know. I guess I was wrong. I guess I clicked the wrong button. Daniel, did you struggle with holding your winners? And yeah, I did. I'll give you some practical advice for that though. If you struggle with holding your winners and cutting losses quick, some practical advice would be to make a conscious effort, a conscious decision to do the opposite before you take the trade, knowing that there's a probability that it's not going to work out in your best interest by doing that, but it will harden, like it will build a bit of a mental callus to improve your ability to do that next time. So that, again, the idea is, in simple terms, is to make the decision to hold the trade before you take the trade. I always talk about this with the guys, which is conscious trading. Make sure you're conscious when you're on the charts. Don't do unconscious decisions. Make conscious decisions. And if you're trying to work on that one, make the conscious decision to, hey, when I take this trade, I'm going to hold it to this level. I'm not going to move to BE till it gets to this level, blah, blah, blah. You should already be doing that anyway. You should kind of be making the trade decisions before you take the trade. But I traded NAS on the 4x personal, like 400 balance. But yeah, you can't. I don't think you can trade NAS until you got like a grand in your account, maybe. Yeah. You know, in some cases there's an opportunity to take an impulse buy in these scenarios, but this isn't the right conditions for that for me, even if it does push up. Baby, your love is my medicine. It just shows your chart property colors. Yeah, I can show you my properties. Like, there's nothing interesting. My color, it's all default. This is default, bros. Yeah, it's all default, man. Oh, it opens properties? Okay. Yeah, it's all just default. Don't worry about chart colors, bro. It's not going to change anything. Like, if you're shit trader, you're shit trader. You know, people are like, dude, I changed my colors to freaking rainbow because it's better for my psychology. And it's like, hey, bro, if the colors of the charts are ruining your psychology, you know, you got a tough road ahead of you. But I went through that stage as well, like earlier. Are you banned on TikTok? No, my computer's just having issues running at all. I don't know why. I do know why. I need to do an update. Oh, nice. 4K payout on Dominion. Let's go. Daniel, what's the causes of your P&L wins and losses to be different cash values? Like fluctuations and not fixed losses? I mean, I don't trade like... Mine will always stay within a range. It's not like one day it's 20 bucks, the other day it's 4 billion. Like, it's always kind of within a range, but fucking what was I gonna say? Yeah, I don't know. Sometimes you go heavier on a bit of a trade, sometimes you don't. It is what it is. But yeah, it's always kind of in a range. I mean, look at your boys kind of the fucking go, let's be honest. Yep, so just in this range here, I've got some key areas marked. I do have some key areas marked, and we're going to see what happens here. Zahir, stop! Please! I'll do another fucking stream with Raja, okay? I'll do it. I'll fucking do it. Fuck it, let's message him, let's voice message him right now. Oh my god, bro. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Raja. Here he is. Bro, I'm on stream right now, and there's a guy, Zahir, and he said 1,000 times, please one more stream with Raja. Please. So at a last ditch attempt just to salvage my sanity, let's do another stream. It doesn't have to be trading. I was thinking mud wrestling. Okay, bro, there you go. Send. Send. Okay? There we go. There we go, bro. Thank you, Daniel, so much. Okay, it's okay. You win. You win. If this candle closes green like this, and then we get a closure below, that's A+ scenario. That's going to be A+. Yep. How's Dubai life treating you? You know what? Regardless of Dubai, life only treats you in accordance to how you treat it. No, Dubai's good, but it is true. Life is just a reflection of kind of your mindset. You know, I was thinking about Conor McGregor, and it's like, why did that happen to him? You know, when he came into the fight, I said he's very religious now, and I know how God works. I've been on the God tip for a while now, and I know how God works. And God works in mysterious ways, in the sense that you always think you know what's in your own best interest, but God actually knows what's in your best interest. But a lot of the time, in order for that ideal outcome of your best interest to be, or to come to fruition, it's never really how you plan it to be. And unfortunately, a lot of the time it comes with what you think is a negative outcome, but it actually turns out to be the best case scenario. And I think God's trying to show Conor in the most nice way possible that you don't have to come back to fighting. Because a lot of fighters at the highest level are only fighting because without it, they don't know who they are. Right? They don't know who they are. That's why they started fighting. It's the only thing that makes them feel like they matter. And God's like, you know what? I'm just going to fuck with your leg at the start of the fight. You don't get hurt. It's a best case scenario. And now you're going to go through the pain of finding who you really are without fighting. Because he's not coming back, bro. The show's over. The show's over. McGregor's not coming back. He might do a boxing match, but the show's over. So, yeah. Do you follow session times? Yes, session times is extremely important. Session times is extremely important. Need that high volume. I like the idea of an impulse buy at the break of that previous 15, but this just wasn't the right scenario. This wasn't the right case for me, personally. Your love is my medicine. But yeah, in the middle of this range, what's the time? All right, we're about to get this candle closure. I mean, break above or break below, fucking we're good to go. God wants you to become a mud wrestler? Yes. Exactly. T2 on the 30 on NQ, let's have a look. Nah, nothing here on NQ for me. No. Nothing here on NQ for me. Are you gambling on the World Cup? Nah, I don't watch any soccer. Hey, you guys, I'll tell you one thing. This is something I'm doing on Tuesday, the 21st of July. The Funded Trader Blueprint. Pass any challenge, stay funded, and stack consistent monthly payouts. I'm going to be running a webinar here next Tuesday, the Tuesday coming. I'm going to post a link right here, right now. Register now for this free webinar if you want to improve your skill of trading. What does that mean? Well, when you improve your skill of trading, you make more money. So It's a free webinar. We're going to be running through a ton of shit here. And yeah, you're going to want to be here. So secure your seat here. You can register on the 21st of July. And I just posted the link there in the chat. And I also pinned it in the chat there too. So yeah, I look forward to seeing you guys there. I understand one thing, when you trade on the prop firm, it's easy to gamble. Yes. When you trade on the live account, it's a different world. Yep. That's definitely true as well. That's definitely true as well. NRL team? Nah, no NRL either. Combat is like the only sport I watch. How much is the free webinar? Yeah. Would it be T2 on the 30 on NAS if swept liquidity? I don't think about liquidity sweeping, bro. Just structurally, this isn't what I'm interested in. All right, there's that closure on gold. Is the blue lines your levels you're waiting for price? Yeah, sort of. Like pretty much in this case. Yeah. Pretty much in this case. Again, I'm not super interested in trading within this box, just because, I mean, look at what price is done within here. It's just kind of range. I don't want to be stuck in rangy. You know, there would have been, in some cases, there is a case for an impulse at the break of that red 15, but this wasn't the scenario for me. Has anyone told you you look like Steve Buscemi? Steve Buscemi, who the fuck's that? Let's have a look. I'm not gonna like it, but all good. What? I remember this dude off the Aeroplane movie. I think it was this movie, maybe the Aeroplane movie. I can't remember what it's called. But yeah, I guess I haven't heard that one, fortunately. Don't Google him. Oh shit, it's too late. Oh, Adrian, you just coming in now? I was just saying, I think that trade you posted was a nice Asia breakout this morning. Other than that, I haven't seen frick all trades today. So W on that one. Con Air, that's it. Yeah, Con Air. Do you have a VIP group? I mean, sort of. I have a mentorship group. Yeah, nice one, bro. Yeah, nice one. Other than that, it looks like it's been tricky price action today. Oh, not even tricky, just choppy. Like nothing super worth paying too much attention to. Like a Barbie doll. Like an Abby doll. Oh, look at this. 8cap partnership. Hey, Dan. Who's 8cap? Is that a prop firm or something? I'm actually going to wait a bit longer. Brother. I'll wait a bit longer because it's still camera showing up as bright. Shane bright, I got no even. Do you trade ICT? No, I don't trade ICT. I trade LBGT. No place in this page for us to register? Yes, there's a link. I mean, it's pinned in the chat here, but here I'll post it again. Not that. Again, he's talking about this free webinar that will be running on next Tuesday. The Funded Trader Blueprint. Past challenges stay funded, stack consistent payouts. Here's a link. I'll put it in the chat now for your registration. It's a free registration. Balance 78k. Is that the 100k? No, the 100k account is well, it was 117. I'm actually finally making a YouTube video on that as well, showing you guys everything. But no, I built that one from 5k to 117, pulled out around 50 something. Fucked around with the other like 10 something, and then put 50k into this account. And that's what I think I'll just keep doing. I'll just keep building it up, taking out 50, build it up, taking out, I don't know. And then play around with smaller accounts and just gamble them and stuff. Seems to work alright. But this account, like obviously, you know, when I trade this, like my 50k account or this, you know, this account that I want to take serious, it's just like the normal strat, you know, just take your trades, one to two trades a day, and just, yeah, trade smart. Just wait for the setups. Can you share how to skip the challenge stage and cash out ASAP with prop firm? I mean, it depends what you're asking, but it sounds like you're saying, like you're basically just saying, Daniel, can you just show me how to fucking generate money out of thin air? Like, I don't know what you mean fully. Yo, loose unit, what up, brother? Maybe scale to a milli? Nah. I don't know. I don't, even when I was up like around the 100k mark, like it's scary. I could blow like $80,000 right now. Like I could literally just do that. Right now I could just click a bunch of bullshit buttons and lose over 100,000 Australian dollars. So could you imagine having floating around like, you know, like 700,000 in an account, and I'm like, I don't like the idea of having that much money just in like a scalping account kind of thing. China. Make sure you guys on YouTube drop a thumbs up for the stream as well. Live here on the stream. Live on YouTube right now, so show some love. Love you, boy. Jab your love. Meet up at Logan Lee Trainer, yeah. Meet up at Logan Lee Trainer. Let's do it. What was the turning point for you? When did you finally click and you started becoming consistent, profitable trading discipline? Didn't even realize the turning point. Didn't even realize the transition point, brother. Didn't realize. That's the interesting thing about profitable, like getting to profitability. You probably won't even realize that you're becoming profitable. So it's just a matter. So if that's a fact, then it's like, well, fuck, I better just keep showing up and trying, right? Because there's a high probability you won't realize that transition period. How much to like the stream? Come on, man. Come on, broad. All right, what do we got, gold? Come on, bro. In this range here. All that CPI range has been filled. We have an hour closure coming up here. Could you imagine if we get these 3-hour candles closed like that? Like that's, if this starts to flip green, that'll be very unusual. How did you flip to 5k to 100k? I didn't flip. I traded it. I'll have a video coming out in like 2 days to go in a bit more detail on it. It took me a couple months. Good morning. Yo, Pharaoh. Yeah, I haven't seen your name in the chat for a while. The Big Zane, what up, what up, what up? Yeah, get an hour closure here in a minute, hour 15:30. The 30 looks not very enticing. The hour looks unusual as well. Look at these 3-hour candles. 15's a little bit cleaner. We'll have to see. Oh, Allison. Yeah, let me know if the music's not too loud or anything. Yeah, I did a top down earlier. Always do a top down. Risk during the early stages of the challenge, I'm pretty sure just from memory, it was around like, I think I started like my first couple trades were like $230, then 300, 400, and slowly, there's no mechanical system. I don't think that's smart. It puts a bit too much pressure on yourself, but it's more like, yeah, just slowly start building up the size, slowly start increasing the size in which you look to risk per trade. Could you show us an example of your previous trades at A+ setups that you never pass on? I can try to. The only issue is if I move this across. Oh, yeah, let's have a look. Alright, if you look at my screen here, you'll be able to see in a sec. Let me turn on, show you trade history. So see this here? You can see like where I entered and exited, here and here. Now if I jump over to trading view, I can show you better. And this is like the simple ABC stuff that I teach. Both of them were ABC trades. You know, something I talk about quite a bit is like market anticipation. So we had like a key level here. I knew this range down here was very like untapped range. So there was a high probability of price coming down and filling a lot of this range. Essentially getting this 15 candle close below. The 30s looked all right as well, I believe. Let's have a look at the 30. Or maybe not. Yeah, the 30's kind of, yeah, this is a 30 closure here. The 30's like failed above here. Got that 15 closure below is also a 30 closure below. And then just, you got your simple stuff here. The retest. The fucking, the break of the low. So the retest was here. As it started to flip red, my entry was sitting there, the break of the previous 15 low, and then filled that range there. Took partials like down here, took the rest here, and that was it. And then that same day, another setup like that happened where you got two red candles in a row, but the one that broke below here was much bigger. There was massive volume coming in the market, more anticipation. We had super clean traffic to the left. This range here, all like to be filled. And yeah, same thing, just took another breakout here, retest, push. Took partials over here, and then unfortunately it pushed like 1,000 pips after that, but it doesn't matter. I got all I needed. You can see them here. And then this trade here was yesterday, a small loss. Tried to fill some of this range back up. You know, I felt as though price was ready to move up. I was just wrong. If you look at this, price did eventually move back up, but it wasn't when I wanted it to, or I expected it to. But if you pay attention here, like, I'll show you one more thing here. Sorry, I'm rambling a bit here, but check this out. Like, all I was really looking for was what exactly happened 2 times prior, which was this. Price break out of a level, hold support, and then push. Price break out of a level, hold support, and then push. So with that in mind, knowing there's clean traffic to the left, it's a high volume time, blah, blah, blah. Price broke out of range, support held, and try and get that push. And turns out price just wasn't ready to push anymore. It had done enough pushing. But with that being said, I shouldn't have been in the trade anyway, because I have a rule to get out, like to close my order at least 5.5 minutes before the candle closes. And I didn't. I'm sitting here reading the chat, freaking jacking off, and then before I realized, oh fuck, I got tagged in. Oh well, now I'm in the trade, and well, I paid the price for that, unfortunately. So Hopefully that clears up the question. Make sure you guys, if you enjoy the stream, drop a thumbs up for the stream. It helps. I don't even know what it does, but just do it. I did register for webinar. Hope I will be helpful. Nice. Yeah, you guys here. Here's a link in the chat. Free webinar. I'm going to be running next Tuesday. You can secure a spot. We're going to cut the seats by this weekend. So make sure you just register now and pay attention to your emails. So you register here. I'm going to be trying to give as much free value as I can here in this webinar here. Just Trades, what up, what up, what up? Yeah, the interesting thing about profitable trade, and it seems to be a lot more about what you don't do. Avoiding a lot of the amateur mistakes, the revenge trade, the impulse trading, the over trading, the over emotional behavior. We've got this 1 hour closure, 15:30. Weird stuff, structurally. So we'll see what happens here. I'm still bearish, but this is good. If this candle breaks above here, it's not the worst, but it's not too bad. We'll see what happens. Let's stay patient here. I work a 9 to 5, so I only trade the Asia session. Is that good? Yeah, Asia's great. Asia's great if you trade gold. I made 21K in 17 days with your videos. Thanks so much. Nice. Let's get it, Eagle. Let's get eagerly with it. Good eagles in the chat. No, support and resistance, yeah, it has to be dynamic. You have to continually move it as the market moves. Definitely. Hey brother, I'm a student and I lose $4,000 in Indian market. What do I do now? I'm crying. I mean, to be honest, the first thing you need to do is understand, like, look deep within yourself and your deep psychology and understand what happened in your childhood that gave you the impression that it would be a good idea to put $4,000 into the market that you're not willing to lose. And then once you find the answers, then it's a rebuild stage. All right, I need to work here. I need to fucking start hustling and get my money back up, and then start small next time. Start small, my G. How would you approach me to approach a $1,000 challenge? Have been trading since 6 years. What should I risk as an aggressive approach? Nah, I think you shouldn't do it, because if you've traded for 6 years and you're questioning, like, oh, how do I approach risk and stuff, something's wrong with you or something. It's either you're lying or something's wrong with you. You know what I mean? A lot of Forex props have started trailing drawdown. Have they? Yeah, I mean, it's safer for the prop firm to do that. Should I trade here in Pakistan full time but no investment, big or move Australia and work and also trade? You should, regardless of where you are, you should work and trade. Oh, look at this. I've seen the $4,000 guy in multiple streams now. Fuck. regardless of where you are, you should work as well until you're really set or whatever. Yeah, I guess if we get a break above, we'll have a look. Done, registered, nice. Nah, I'm kind of cooking on Apex a little bit at the moment. Hey brother, your strategy made me funded. Thank you for sharing the strategy. Nice. Funded trader. Good shit, man. Now to get some money out of them. Money, 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 money. Hey, all you guys that asked me for money in the chat, here it is. Come get it. Oh, that's actually sad. Sorry. Fuck. Fuck. Yeah, legit. NQ breaking up, but nah, we've got chopped to the left. I mean, if we put them level here to the left. Damn. Yeah, let's keep an eye on NQ if we break above this level here on the left. A lot of clean traffic above there. It's probably just going to pop here though. Making it feel worse, bro. Oh, fuck, I just realized. I'm sorry. Brisbane City, you guys. The big city of apples. This is kind of reminiscent of my old stream setup where there's like a city in the background. I put the city on my shoulders. Brisbane or Dubai? Oh, for me, Dubai. I wasted 5 years on SMC bullshit. Now I moved to breakout strategy, CMC, and oh, okay, fair enough. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Nice at it, Trade Lab. Good to have you here, man. Story Bridge days, yeah. Coles or Woolies, they're the same thing to me. How do I manage risk in 50K during evaluation? My advice is going to be based on individual circumstances, so I wouldn't be able to give a broad advice on that, bro. IGA, yeah, IGA. Eager. Whew, it's fucking chilly, man. Brisbane's cold. All right, man, we're in this range. What's NQ? See NQ failing here. We'll see if NQ breaks out. I took your same strategy, 5 wins, 4 loss, 5 trades, 4 wins. Nice. How much time take to be profitable minimum in your strategy with full focus? Look, Ali, you're the guy that's been trained for 6 years and you need advice. The only reason you're not profitable is because your mindset. If you've been trained for 6 years, you would know by now that it's not simple like, hey man. Because if it was just as simple as like picking the right strategy, then you could just teach a robot and you would be a billionaire. It's how the individual implements the strategy. You know what I mean, my bro? Do you reckon 1-pack or 5-pack evaluation? I mean, if you pass all of them, you've got 5 activation fees you've got to pay. What strategy? Just price action, bro. Just waiting for price to get to one of these key levels. Is there news later? Oh, PPI later. No, I'm not going to trade news later. Make sure you guys, if you enjoy this stream, press thumbs up on the stream. All right. You just got yourself put in detention, kid. Put user in timeout. Yep. Put him in. Like imagine your brain to go, oh, I'm going to ask this question and just paste it 1,000 times. Yo, bro, I've been streaming Asia session for a minute. How do you keep the conversation going when there's no one in the chat? I feel like yapping to everyone but myself. Yeah, that's exactly how you do it, bro. Just yap to yourself. Like, talk about what you're seeing. Just kind of act as if people are there. You kind of got to act if people are there, and then eventually people will come. So let's have a look at use hit. First thing I'd say is change your name. All good. And then that's it. Let's subscribe over here. Let's how many live streams have you done? Okay, nice. Yeah, you guys should go show love to this guy over here whose name he needs to change. You want a name that's easy to pronounce and remember. Just bang bang. Here's a link to his profile, you guys. It's hard to live stream. I know, I get it, bro. So you just got to keep trying. You just got to keep talking as if people are there, and this is my personal advice. But see this shit here, this 11 wins and all this kind of stuff. Get rid of that, bro. Like, because what that does, unless you want it to be a signal surface, it's putting unnecessary pressure on yourself to win trades. Where you should just stream, but I'm just streaming. I'm just here to just to trade. And if you want to show up and hang out and trade with me, cool. But when you do this, it's I think it's bad for your psychology, and it gives a bad the wrong. You'll build like an audience of kind of you'll build an audience. I can almost guarantee this trade's gonna lose if this tags you in. And I'll tell you why. Looks like you're a breakout trader. Nice. This is cool. Yeah, make sure you guys go show this dude some love. Oh, no, sorry. This is a 5-minute chart. No, sorry. My bad. This is a 5-minute chart. I know nothing about 5-minute charts. I thought it was 15.
Once to react here, we have enough space to let it, right?
Awesome. Brisbane's a nice city. Yeah, Brisbane's a nice city. Definitely. I have a working bot and I will never sell it. Yeah. What causes your P&L losses? Different cash values? I answered that before when you asked the first time. But yeah, awesome. The live streams are lengthy, 1 hour to 3 hours. No, that's kind of, I don't think the length matters too much. Like if you're genuinely there trading and shit, I'll apply your advice. Yeah, nice, man. My advice, yeah, again, just to summarize, I think if you were to change your name, like your YouTube name, to something like memorable, talk as if people are there, even if it's just about your day, or talk about the setup and, man, I remember the day that I fucking seen the market like this and I blew my account, and just be yourself. Because at the end of the day, believe it or not, people are going to show up to you as the individual as well. Yeah. But there are also live streamers which are just like signal bots, but their whole chat is just fucking brain rot signal bot Indians and shit. Like, nothing wrong with Indians, but like, I don't know. Oh no, look at this. Here's Raja's reply. He said, let's do it with that bastard.
Okay. Friday we can do something. Friday. I'm flying to Thailand today. Friday.
There you go. Friday mud wrestling. The way I thought about it was my results as the hook and my lessons want to teach as the combo to keep people. I don't know what to say about that. I feel like I do, but I don't know what to say about that. Maybe the reason I don't know what to say about that is because I don't know what your intentions are with streaming. See, when I started streaming, it was simply just because. Yeah, the idea of like maybe, man, imagine if it grew one day and I started posting content and shit, that'd be cool. But it was never with that intention. But now that it's a year and a half later, I'm glad that I did it just as the guy that showed up and I'm just here to trade, and if you want to trade with me, cool. Because if I showed up with being like, look, I'm a great trader, look at my results, blah, 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 then that's like a level of standard that I feel like I need to adhere, like uphold. And trading can be tough times, man. Like there can be times where it's tough. And then you're also going to get an audience that expects you to win. Like, oh, I'm here, like, yeah, this guy's a winner. Look at his stats. So, you know, I tell guys all the time, don't trade. You don't have to trade because I'm trading. I'm just here, man. You can trade if you want. You can follow my trades if you want, but yeah. So I don't know what your goals are, but yeah, regardless of what it is, good shit. Appreciate it, Joe Red. So we're still in the middle of this range, you guys. NQ just kind of rejected off this level here. Still completely in the middle of this range here. Hey, you guys, anyone that's new here, this following Tuesday, free webinar. The Funded Trader Blueprint, how to pass challenges, stay funded, and stack consistent profits. None of this fucking around. Like, we've got to stop fucking around and like half-assing this trading. So if you really want to learn something, this is going to be a free webinar. I'm going to post in the chat right now the link to register because registration is going to close soon. So register now and show up with the intent to learn. Long hair, long dick. Big Moodgy, what up, bro? Nah, plenty of people have made bot breakout. Like, people have botted my strategy heaps. Yep, nice. Oh, god damn it. This is definitely a London session. So we're 15 minutes into London Open. Really, Moodgy? For this year? Ty did a video about a losing month. I had like to see that from other... Thai? Like my Thai? My Thai? Muay Thai? My psychology is not getting fixed. Yesterday I took 27 trades. Bro, I'm not laughing because I'm laughing at you. I'm laughing because I know your pain, bro. Hey, bro, you know, I thought I took a turn, but yesterday I took fucking 900 trades. Yeah, look, bro, here's my advice. Just try again. Just keep trying, bro. I know it's hard, man. I know it's hard. Just use me as an example. Like, look at my stats here. I just wait for the fucking, I just wait for the setups. And yeah, you're going to lose, right? But this is really like kind of one trade a day type shit. You might have to like completely shift your mindset of how to actually profitably trade. Because it really is just like, just wait for the setup, win, lose, walk away, come back to the next one. Assuming you've got a good system or whatever, you should be good. Where's Pez? Good question. Very own broccoli farm, yeah. You've had several weeks of losses? Yeah, well, the thing is, I don't know how long you've been trading for, and I don't know what system you have, but maybe you're new to trading, or maybe your system sucks. Yeah, we've all been there. And I could go back there like today. I could go back to being a real shit trader today. Oh, very easily. Slip straight into it. The thing is, it's like an addiction. So like, you know, like with any addiction, when you break it, although you stop the activity of the addiction, there's still like neural pathways, I think they call it, which is, you know, literal connections within your brain that send the signal of like, hey, give me the addiction. And it's going to take time for that to go away. So although you might be able to stop the overtrading, it will take a bit of time to, I guess, create new neural pathways that don't ask for that reward. Because it is a reward. Even when you pick up your phone and you look to like scroll, it's like a dopamine hit. And believe it or not, like you'll get addicted to losing trades just because you're feeling something. Most people barely even feel anything in life. Think about it. You wake up, you go to a job you hate, you come home to a chick that you don't fucking really want to be with, and life's just boring. Oh, but when I jump on the charts, you bet I feel something. My heart's racing, this and that. So you're actually addicted to losing, a lot of people. Yeah, be very careful. Clip that chat. That's some real shit. All right, Gold, come on, give us something, brother. Give us someone's mother. Nah, I don't want to get chopped up in NQ, actually, unless it breaks above. I've never won a trade before. Flip that to 100K, yes! Donos! I agree, Allison. I definitely agree with that as well. You were looking like an AI person? Oh, I'm back with the AI comments. Do you know, my whole trading career, I mean live streaming career, all I've ever done with my left hand is fiddle with something. People used to pay me out because I used to file my nails, but I'm always fiddling with something. And I've been like, oh man, I need like a fidget spinner of some sort. But I always just use my iPad AirPod case. So yeah, look at the price to approach one of these levels. Don't want to play in this range here, and we'll see what happens. Give it a bit more time. Gonna have to give it a bit more time. What's your win rate? Not sure, bro. Pretty good. How much do you make per trade? It fluctuates. I mean, you can see kind of here a bit, I guess. Whatever this is. Yes, Gold. Let's start moving down, my G. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Trading last 3.5 years, not profitable, but not really feel like I am going to be profitable. Yeah, I mean, I'd love to help you. You can definitely be profitable. Okay, after coaching for a pretty decent period of time, what I've noticed is most traders that are at the edge of profitability fall into two categories. One is they're in a fearful state. So they don't understand that in order to make good money trading, you actually have to put on a decent level of risk. Now, if you're prop trading, that means you're probably going to have to burn a few prop accounts and trade in such a way that when you are funded, it could go south as well. but that's the nature of the game. But if it doesn't and you execute a good trade, you're in a good amount of profit. You know, you can add on to that, or let me add another second account in, and you know, you start putting on some decent size. That's how you make good money. You have to risk money. Second category is the overthinkers, the analytical types, the fucking engineer types, right? And they think they have to map everything out. And my psychology, I really need to understand my psychology. And, you know, you get stuck in this analysis paralysis state and you never actually make progress. Why are some of the biggest retards like myself profitable traders? Because you can kind of find a fine balance between, like, I'm dumb enough to put on a good amount of risk, but I'm smart enough to not think about it too much as well. So just remember, trading is a game of, like, I'm betting money. So be willing to bet money to make money. Right? You've got to be willing to bet money to make money. See if we get a breakout here, you guys. There'll be a 30 closure as well. Oh, look at this, been following you for a long time. Thank you, bro. Five count, I was up. I was 370, needed 30 to pass, and the 30 kills me. Yeah, bro, I'm not joking when I say this. I've blown proper counts from being like a couple of dollars away from passing. Like, what the fuck? No. Should I copy you? No. No, don't do it. Why is it dumping? Oh, yes. Come on, goal. Let's go. All right, we've got a couple minutes here. See if we get a closure below here, you guys. W. Big man things. I'll put... No, come on. Gold, just wait for me, bro. Wait for me. Please, 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 please. Just wait for me. This is what I'm looking at, you guys. We're getting a 30 closure below here as well. Let me give you guys a bit of something to keep in your mind as well. If you ever see these 3-hour candles like this with big long wicks and 3 small bodies like this, there's such a high probability that price is going to come down and close below this range. It's not even funny. Come on, gold, my G. Please just wait for me, man. I've been a good boy and I just want to trade. Yeah, it's not looking good, guys. It's not looking good, man. Let's see, 30. Let's stay optimistic here and just see what happens. Oh, has something happened here, you guys? Why is everything moving down like this? Hussein, what's good, brother? Chilling it, killing it. Yes, that's right. Higher win rate for sure. Yep, the win rate is high. Well, you can see with the lot in my history, you can see it's a higher win rate strategy. So let's see how this candle closes, my dudettes. And while we wait for that candle closure, again, here's a link. This coming Tuesday, register for the free webinar. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about getting funded, staying funded, and actually pulling payouts out. And if you trade personal accounts, the same thing is going to apply in terms of how to, actually grow your fucking accounts. Here's a link to it in the chat. Register now. Register now, my dude. Do you think backtesting is a good way to get better? Yeah, I think backtesting plays a part. It's got its role, yeah. It's good to kind of just like maybe gain a bit more confidence in your executions of your strategy. Oh. Weird closure. What did the 30 close like? Does it look different on Oanda? I want to take a sell. I need a wick though. I need a retest. If this can retest from here and then break its own low, I think I'm going to take a sell here. I think I'd like to give a sell a crack here. What does it look like on futures? Yeah, I believe I'd like to take a sell if this can... I'm going to put an order here. I'd like to put an order here. We've got these 15s coming down, breaking below key levels. The body of the breakout 15 is bigger. It's also a 30-minute breakout. It's a high enough volume time. I think there's clear targets, and the overall trend is bearish. I do understand we're at some sort of 4-hour level, but it's not enough to turn me off the setup. I think this is a good trade. Yeah, I think it's a good trade. I wonder if I can sell. I wonder if Top Step forgot to pause me. Oh no, yeah, they've still
Order
paused
rejected.
me. Sweet. Bro, stop posting that shit. It's so gay, like. Alright, yeah, I got an order sitting here. Let's see. $30 break, 15. Dub. Yeah, I know the wick pushed a bit, like filled a decent amount of this range, but I believe like the overall bias, which is to move down, is still there. And I mean, futures, no, I guess futures kind of did. But I believe there's still enough in favor to get a move down here. To this level down here. I mean, I wouldn't, if you guys are taking it just because I mean, if you look at, Oanda looks way better. Look at the breakout on Oanda. Oh, I mean sells, bro, sells. Don't take this because I am. If you guys don't feel comfortable taking this trade, definitely don't. Do not take it. How to close 80% of the profits on... If I get tagged in here, I'll show you. Let me measure this range. Okay, the ranges aren't massive. I think if I get tagged, I'd like to... I'll give it like 60 pips of SL. Didn't like the 1 hour. I mean, looks like a lot of you guys don't like it. It's fine. I'll happily take it. I'll take one for the team. I got $50 here anyway, so should be alright. How do you know the size? How do you know the size without knowing your SL yet? I do know my SL. I just said 60 something pips, like 65 pips or something. Full ported CPI, nice. Bro's just straight up freaking promoting degeneracy. I don't know why my spreads are so dog shit. Got the worst spreads at the moment. Does anyone else trade Dominion? What are your spreads like? Because you're with Dominion? No, I feel like it used to be better. $1.2? No, I do feel like it used to be better though. Maybe, yeah, maybe I got the commission account. Yeah, you could be right. ECN or standard or some shit. Yeah, that's right. Yep. Trader Bills? No, is that like an actual trader's name? Alpha Futures? Bro, didn't Alpha Futures just get nerfed? Oh no, they dropped, yeah. Did anyone, I got an email from, because I think there's another one called like Alpha Trader or something. They're like, don't get us confused with Alpha Futures. See if we get a bit of a push here. She's trying. She's trying. Oh, if you want to close partials, yeah, you click here, you right click it, go to modify position, then go to market execution, and I'm in 5 lots, so if I wanted to close, you know, 50%, I'll type in 2.5, and then just down here you click close. That's it. That's what you got to do. Yeah, she's trying to push here. How long we got on the clock? What's the time? 4 minutes? Yeah, we'll see what this candle does. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the stream. Oh. Drop a thumb. It's like 2 degrees here in Brizzy. To the grease. To the grease. Oh, I'm about to piss my pants, but it's all good. Yeah, Brizzy's freezing right now. I'm back in Oz because it was my niece's 12th birthday. I wanted to come back and see her, and I think it was probably kind of about time to, you know, come back and catch up with some of the fam. Yeah. It'd been a minute. Looks like Price really wants to kind of push here. It either wants to push or not. So... All right, how long we got? I'm gonna do a quick... Yeah, I'm good to go. I'm going to toilet quickly. It's winter in Brizzy? Yeah, legit, man. Like literal. All right, we get a closure here in a minute. If it closes with no bottom wick, I'm going to go to BE. Dunny strap, exactly. Hit that thumbs up button for the stream, you guys, as well. It's going to help TP get hit. It's 100% going to help. That's a fact. Bro, there's 900 people here. There's 900 people. And when you're in a trade, you get 2 comments. But when there's no trade, there's just spammy. People are just like crickets out in these streets, my dude. We got crickets in the chat. What the fuck? Price is like acting so weird. Sigbot's locked in. Price is acting like kind of unusual, or am I tripping out? Yeah, look at these gap, like that gap. Why is Price been gapping? Like it gapped here on Owanda, and then it gapped here on Dominion. I think something might happen here. It might pop either up or down in a minute. I feel like Price might pop up or down here. Hopefully it's down. No, I don't live stream on YouTube every day. Try to live stream in the mentorship freaking as much as possible, but yeah, not every day on YouTube, no. Only took 2 weeks last, 2 trades last 2 weeks. Yeah, I mean, it's good to be selective. Yeah, for sure, man. Be selective with that shit. I already showed you how to close partials. That's one thing I already did. Hey, you guys here as well. Anybody that's new here, this Tuesday, free webinar. I'm going to post in the chat right now. You can join. We're going to cover out strategy, consistency, and how to not fall in the trap of, I mean, the statistical, what is it, like 95% of traders? Be a good boy, Gold. Your opinion on Lucid? I mean, I think they're like one of the most loved prop firms at the moment. I'll tighten up my stop a little bit. I got a 15, 30 break, retest, push, but I don't know, man. looking good. Double down. Add to it. I had a feeling like I might be stuck in this trade for a while. I was like, oh, fuck. Gonna be sitting here on stream for 10 years. And I don't want to end stream whilst on a trade because people are like, dude, you just freaking end the stream in your trade. Ugh. Oh, is it really lagging? Looks fine on my end. Time to start shopping up. You know, that stuff's it's legal here in Australia. I actually have a permit. I'm legally allowed to do greenery. Hoodie strat. Goon o'clock. Goon of Arc. Now baby goon. Goon of Arc. If this starts... Yeah, if it starts breaking lows and stuff like that, I don't know if it will, but if it does, I'll try to start managing. I mean, why do people... There must be some sort of lag of some sort. People asking me, why is there lag, as if I have the answer why you're lagging.
People asking me, why is there lag?
Yeah, I don't know. It seems to be okay here. No lag for you? Okay, yeah. I don't know what's going on. Might as well get a cup of tea ready. It looks shit. This looks shit. 5 minutes. See if I can survive this hour closure, but it's not looking good. Nah. It's not looking good. Not looking good, you guys. Yeah, see if I can survive this hour closure. And oh no, the only reason I'm not trading New York is because I'm in Australia at the moment. Nice. Yeah, good shit. Celsic. Yep. Good, man. Yeah, good. Looks like Celsic managed over here. Australia, Bali, or Dubai? I mean, either Australia and Dubai. It depends. They're both good. Bali third. Bali third. Yeah, I love Dubai. Bro's casually drinking a coffee, dabbling up and down in 2K drawdown. Oh, this is good. Right in for the 4th time, hopefully. No, I don't see it anywhere. Me matey. It's just a retest. I like this guy. You guys, stop stressing. It's just a retest. Why don't you trade with Top Step anymore? They blocked my account. Yeah, they blocked my account. You can see I've still got access to the account. It's got a fair bit fucking in it. Like there's 25k in the account, but I can't access it. Yeah. Your boy can't access it. Watching paint dry. I know, bro. As soon as I entered this, I'm like, bro, I've been already streaming for ages. Now to enter a trade, I'm gonna be trapped here for 10 years. No, I don't want to. I don't really want to do the whole grow to a million thing. It's already pretty stressful to do like challenges like that, because instead of trading just because you're trading to look for a good setup, you're kind of trading with an objective. And people are like, oh, dude, how's that challenge going? It's a little bit tough on the psychology. Confluence, Brent oil. Here's the hour closure. This is make or break. This is either death or not. Yeah, this is either death or not, man. I'm closing a B when it gets there. Pop that low. Pop the low. If this doesn't break the low one more time and I lose this trade, I'm a loser. Right? I'm out, BE. Whatever. And I'll tell you why I'm out. There you go. Fuck you, gold! I'll tell you why I'm out. What I wanted to happen didn't happen when I wanted it to happen. That's all. It'll drop now. It'll drop now, but that's... If this drops now, I don't even give a fuck because I anticipated it to drop with the other candles. It doesn't really make sense for me for this to drop now and make sense. So, yeah, my trade idea didn't play out, so I'll get out of it. I'll get out of it. I think that was good management. I think that was good management. And again, like, I think this is super important, you guys. If I entered here, and I expected this candle, or at worst, that green candle to drop, now two 15-minute candles printed and didn't drop, then what I expected to happen didn't happen. So now I'm in a trade that I shouldn't be in. So with that being said, if the opportunity presents, I'm closing. I'm out. Because again, what I expected to happen didn't happen. That's all. And I think that's really important. That's really important. Great management? Yeah, I think that was good management. Yeah. Yeah, I took a little nick on the dick there. What? $390, but it's better than 4,000. It's better than 4,000. Look at this. Look at this. W management. Again, I think if anyone can take a little bit away from this, and there's something I see a lot, which is if you expect something to happen and it doesn't, get out, because your trade idea is now no longer that trade idea. Something else is happening. So I gave it 2 candles to do the thing I wanted it to do, and it didn't. So I have to be real with myself and say, well, it's not my trade anymore. W. Yeah, I already know that it's... Yeah, I know that it's 4-hour support. I was willing to kind of still give it a crack. I know that it's at a pretty heavy support level on the higher time frames. I was still willing to give it a crack, but yeah. No, that was good management there, you guys. Great lesson. Yeah, no, honestly, I think if you can remember that, plan the trade in your head, because I already knew what I was expecting out of the market, and if it doesn't do that, then staying in it is now just hopeful. It's not because your trade idea is playing out or anything. It's just because you're hopeful. And yeah, beautiful. I think this was a good session here. This was a good session. So appreciate you guys jumping on for the London stream again. I'm going to put it in the chat right now. Got a free trading webinar next Tuesday. Register now before the registration closes. We're going to go over a lot. You're going to walk away a better trader, and I just pinned it in the chat there. And yeah, I think this was a good session. This was a good session. For sure, Silseek. Oh, we nearly got 100 subs. Nice. I was supposed to lose 280, but lost 70. Nice. Awesome. China. Thank you for showing up, you guys. Appreciate you. And have a good rest of your day or night. And I'll chat. I might actually be on stream here tomorrow. We'll see. But yeah, thank you guys. Peace out. Will. And have a good day. Bye, guys.